The roller is an amazing product to help you massage the breasts. It is so important if you are a nursing or pumping mom that you are doing so you effectively empty the breasts as well as help stimulate and circulate milk flow. When you're massaging the breasts, you'd want to do this before or after a nursing or pumping session. The great thing about this product is that it does come apart and you can go ahead and use the dual ball sitting to get a deeper sense of compression into the breast, getting into all of those places that you need to. Now say you have a clogged duct or something a little bit more uncomfortable, you can go ahead and use that single ball side, using it to bring that compression in. Great thing here is there's that second piece. You have the spoon edge as well as the back side. So the spoon edge, you can go ahead and use it to bring that hind milk forward. You can also use it to go ahead and lift and get into those places under the breasts that might be a little bit more complicated. Also bringing everything up to the nipple. And then you have that back edge. So say you want to go ahead and use it the same way to massage as you did the dual balls or the single ball, but you don't want as much of a compression. This will go a little bit lighter. So this is the roller, a wonderful tool and product that we are so excited to share with you. If you have any questions about it or perhaps any of our other products, feel free to reach out to us at care@lactationmassager.com.